Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The Lord's presence, by His causeless mercy, He presents Himself in His Shyama Sundar. Unfortunately, people with less intelligence deride at Him. Avajananti mang moodha. Because the Lord comes as one of us and just like plays with us as a human being. Therefore we need not consider that Lord is one of us. It is His omnipotency that He presents Himself with His real form before us and displays His pastimes, just the prototype of His abode. So that abode of Lord, there are innumerable planets also in that Brahma Jyoti. Just like we have got innumerable planets floating on the sun rays. Similarly, in the Brahma Jyoti, which is emanating from the abode of the Supreme Lord, Krishna Loka, Goloka, Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavitami. All those planets are spiritual planets. They are Ananda Chinmaya. They are not material planets. So, the Lord says, na tat bhasayati sujja, na sasanka na pavaka, jadgatya na nivartante, tadhama paramangama. Now, anyone who can approach that spiritual sky will not be required to come back again in this material sky. So long we are in the material sky, what to speak of approaching the moon planet? The moon planet, of course, is the nearest planet. But even we approach the highest planet, which is called Brahmaloka, there also we have the same miseries of material life. I mean to say, the miseries of birth, death, old age, and diseases. No planets in the material universe is free from the four principles of material existence. The Lord therefore says in the Bhagavad-gita, Abrahma bhuvana lokan punaravartina jyam. The living entities are traveling from one planet to another. It is not that we can simply go to other planets by the mechanical arrangement of the Sputnik. Anyone who desires to go to other planet, there is process. Janti deva brata deman pitrim janti pitribrataha. If anyone wants to go to any other planet, say moon planet, we need not try to go by the Sputnik. The Bhagavad-gita instructs us, Janti Devabrata Deva. These moon planets or sun planets or the planets above these Bhuloka, they are called Sargaloka. Sargaloka, Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Sargaloka. They are different status of planets. So, Devaloka, they are known just like that. The Bhagavad-gita gives a very simple formula that you can go to the higher planets, Devaloka, Janti Deva Brata Deva. Janti Deva Brata Deva. Deva Brata, if we practice the process of worshipping the particular demigod, then we can go to that particular planet also. We can go to the sun planet, we can go to the moon planet, we can go to the heavenly planet. But Bhagavad-gita does not advise us to go to any one of these planets in the material world, because even we go to the Brahmaloka, the highest planet, which is calculated by the modern scientist, that we can reach the highest planet by traveling with Sputniks for 40,000 of years. Now, it is not possible to live 40,000 of years and reach the highest planet of this material universe. But if one devotes his life in the worshipment of the particular demigod, he can approach the particular planet as it is stated in the Bhagavad-gita. Janti Deva Brata Deva. Pitri Janti Pitri Brata. Similarly, there is Pitri Lok. Similarly, one who likes to approach the supreme planet, the supreme planet means the Krishna Loka. In the spiritual sky, there are innumerable planets, Sanatan planets, eternal planets, which are never destroyed, annihilated. But of all those spiritual planets, there is one planet, the original planet, which is called Goloka Vrindavan. So these informations are there in the Bhagavad-gita, and we are given the opportunity for living this material world and get our eternal life in the eternal kingdom.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.